Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into a video talking about a top 5 cryptocurrency video yet again, talking about some of the coins that I really didn't get a mention in the last video that are, in my opinion, going to continue to do very well in 2022. Before we talk about some of the main coins out there that I have to think about when I think of just solid potential in 2022, there's one specifically that comes to mind that is actually launching here in the next 30 minutes. You can see here how to buy my NFT. It's a nice little Twitter post talking about my NFT and how it goes live at 5 p.m. UTC or 12 p.m. Eastern if you're in the United States. So you can actually see a little bit more on this as well. If we jump over to Launch My NFT's Twitter page, you can understand as to why this platform is special. We've seen a lot. If you guys have been in the crypto space for at least a couple years, you've seen a ton of different NFT platforms come to the space, and only a few have actually succeeded. Well, what makes this one different is quite a bit. And we're actually going to jump through this little picture, or really video right here. So this video kind of shows it. It shows, or I'm actually going to keep it little screen. You can kind of see it just as easy. You can actually see how it works. So no code NFT collection. It's very, very easy to create. You can just upload your assets. So you can see here, you upload your assets, you choose your rarity settings. Very, very simple to actually get your rarities in there and then generate your collection very quickly. And it's really that easy and that quick. Simple as 1, 2, 3, as they say, and check it out for yourself. Create now. And like I said, guys, it is that easy. And that's exactly why we're talking about Launch My NFT today, because I do believe this is something you guys may not want to miss out on. I will say, guys, before we get too much farther really into this video, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. But you can already see there's a ton of different featured collections. So crypto cars, aesthetic, universe, soul boy colors. You can go down, you can see some of the hot collections that are really starting to take off. We see Ghetto Boys, Mutant Solana, Ape Party, Soul Fang Gang, as well as recently created being some more great really collections there. So if you guys want to jump into this, definitely, like I said, get started by taking advantage of this tweet right here. It'll be very, very close to listing time by the time you guys are watching this video, and it may actually be already after listing price. The good thing about this is we are not in a too big of a bullish market, so you may actually still be able to buy throughout the next couple of days if you're watching this video at a cheap price. So keep that in mind. Make sure to continue to take advantage of some of these coins we talk about on the channel, as you know, realistically, a lot of these have been winners in the past. I want to jump into now some of the really 4 different coins that I believe are going to do really well in 2022 that aren't my NFT or Launch My NFT. By the way, Launch My NFT, if you guys aren't following them on Twitter, you can see here they have a lot of great things kind of giving you updates on when and where to take advantage of Launch My NFT. But I want to jump back, like I said, over to Coinbase and talk about 4 different coins that have been doing really well. So one obvious one, by the way, is Cosmos. I've been talking about how Cosmos is going to do well for quite some time. I've been literally, I'd say every single top 5 video, I've talked about Cosmos. And that's just to explain, like, Cosmos' strength. The actual TA that we've done just shows that it's an obvious winner. It's going to continue to grow, and it's up 14.42% today. So it makes me really, really happy that a lot of you guys are hopefully benefiting off of the buying or really the buying opportunity of Cosmos, because it's going to continue to do well. And with that, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on, because we have given out quite a bit of winners in this last couple of months, or really last couple of years as we started this channel last year. But I want to jump into page 2, because we haven't jumped into page 2 in quite a while. If we actually jump into page 2, there's going to be quite a bit of good picks in this section. We've talked about Hedera, or HBAR, Hedera Hashgraph. This is going to be another coin that really I think is going to do well in 2022, because like I said, it's done great things in the past. The strength of this coin is pretty unrealistic, because if you actually take a look here, we actually came from about 14 cents March 6th, went up all the way to about 40 cents, and actually kind of stabilized around 16 to 40 cents ever since. We actually had an all-time high push about 51 cents, but other than that, we've pretty much stayed above 16 cents, the dip on July 20th. So they're showing a lot of great strength here with the Hedera Hashgraph, and that's because there's a lot of great things coming, and this really is going to continue to benefit the ecosystem altogether in the crypto space. So I want to jump down a little bit farther into page 2, because there's a lot of other coins that, you know, we've talked about in previous top 5s, but need re-mentioned for many reasons. Theta is one that we just made a full dedicated video on yesterday. It's been doing really well since yesterday, up 7.27% in the last 24-hour period. And it's because of a couple different things. But if you actually go and you see what Theta has posted here just recently, we take a look here, Theta Network, they actually posted their upcoming roadmap. And this is huge. So explore the future of the Theta blockchain. Theta name service, TNS Phase 1, secondary marketplace, TNS Phase 2, website UX rework, secret feature in Q3, and then a drop tool enhancement down here in Q4. So a lot of great things coming to Theta. An obvious winner, in my opinion. It's just going to take some time as it continues to build. I want to jump, though, back on over to I think we're on number 4 at this point. So let's continue on to coin number 4. If we take a look through page 2, there are a lot of great coins. There's going to continue to be a lot of great coins that come and go on page 2 of, the coin market cap, or, CoinGecko or Coinbase, wherever you're looking at coins. There's always some great coins. And I want to jump through what, in my opinion, are the best of the best. And that's exactly why we're skipping over a few. But Elrond is one we've talked about, again, in almost every top 5, because it's going to continue to see price increases. We see this in a 7.34% increase in the last day alone. We can actually take a look at the last year, though. We've actually seen it gone up to $490.72 November 22nd. It's come down quite a while, or quite a ways, since that price point. So now at $183, it's going to be a nice price point, in my opinion, to buy at. $3.7 billion in market cap. This is a coin that you will want to watch. You will want to continue to see, because I do believe we're going to go on a Solana-like kind of push up, and this price point could go very, very quickly to the $500 to $1,000 range in the next couple of months. We jump back. We do have one more coin to talk about, guys. Let's go to that page 2 one more time. And actually, I'm going to go to page 3, because this is where my 5th and final winner lies, in the page 5 here, or sorry, page 3 section. If we actually take a look, there's a lot of great coins continuing to show up in this page. And there's one coin specifically that I think is going to continue to show a lot of strength going into 2022 as we continue forward. And there's one coin that, like I said, is just going to continue to outperform the rest. And that's going to be, in my opinion, Engine Coin. We have Engine Coin as one of those coins that has a ton of utility. It's a gaming token that really hasn't done too well in this last couple of months, because it actually had a nice push up to $4.85, and it's come all the way down to $2.34. You can see that from November 24th at 7 p.m. It's come straight down pretty much. And there's a reason for that. We had a huge hype up from Metaverse push when Facebook announced what they announced about the Meta. This is something, like I said, that you're going to want to watch, because Engine is something that's going to be here a long, long time, and they're continuing to do a lot of great things. I think $2 billion in market cap is just a joke compared to what they actually are doing, and this is one that, in my opinion, is going to be a very, very good and solid option for a lot of you guys. There is one more coin. I know we talked about 5 specific coins, but there's one more coin I want to talk about. I'm not sure if it is on Coinbase. It is. So Ultra is one that we've talked about here on the channel for a little while as well. This one's an obvious one. If you guys know what Steam is, it's actually Steam. It's like a gaming platform where you can buy and sell, or not really sell, but you can buy games, and then, actual companies can sell their games. Ultra is pretty much doing the same thing, but just better. And it's also for the play to earn crypto gaming community. So that's going to be huge, in my opinion. $357.2 million market cap. You can actually see this last day, it's gone about 6 to 7%, but the last month is down about 9%. So this is a coin to continue to watch, continue to accumulate, and you'll be very happy, in my opinion, as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one. We're going to continue to give you guys updates today as we see a lot of green in the space. There's a lot of questions on where we could go next, and I do want to determine that with you guys today. If you guys haven't already as well, make sure to follow me on CryptoProfitYT on Twitter, and then also go down and retweet this tweet. So still trying to give that chain link away. If we hit $40 link by the end of January, I'll give 100 link away. All you have to do is retweet and follow to be entered. And guys, big things coming on the Patreon as well. If you guys have not, jump down into the description of today's video. At least check out the Patreon down below. It can help support me, the creator, and then also help support you guys as I try to give you guys some great info before I give it to anybody else. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.